effects in EA Sports College Football 27. 1. Launch the game. Open EA Sports College Football 27. Wait for the main menu to load. Make sure you're not currently in a match. Number 2. Open Settings. From the main menu, select Settings. Press the Confirm button to enter the Settings menu. Number 3. Go to Visual Settings. Navigate to Visual or Graphics Settings. Scroll through the available options. Locate Dynamic Camera Effects. Now, number 4, enable dynamic camera effects. Highlight dynamic camera effects. Switch the option to on. This enables cinematic camera movements during gameplay. 5, disable dynamic camera effects. Highlight dynamic camera effects. Switch the option to off. This provides a more stable camera with fewer visual effects. 6, apply the changes. Select apply or save settings. Wait for the game to save your preferences. 7. Restart the match, return to the main menu, start a new match, or resume your current game. Check if the camera effects have changed. 8. Reset settings if the option is missing. Open Settings. Choose Restore Default Settings. Save the changes. Check again for the Dynamic Camera Effects option. 9. Update the game. Check for the latest EA Sports College Football 27 update. Install any available patches. Restart the game after updating. Now, number 10, restart the game, exit EA Sports College Football 27 completely. Launch it again. Verify that the dynamic camera effects setting has been applied correctly.